Microsoft Copilot Studio just got a huge upgrade. Copilot now writes and runs code, analyzes data, and creates stunning charts instantly. Let's see the new code interpreter in action. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you the latest feature that just came in Copilot Studio, which you will get from the Generative AI File Processing Capabilities section that is called Code Interpreter. The Code Interpreter in Microsoft Copilot Studio is a new AI-powered feature that lets Copilot generate and run code automatically to process files, analyze data, and create reports all on demand. It's like having a built-in data analyst inside Copilot. You just upload a file, describe what you need, and Copilot writes and executes the code instantly to give you charts, summaries, or even new files. Let me show you how to enable it and how it works. Click on the settings of your agent. Then click on the Generative AI menu. Then go to the File Processing Capabilities section. Below this, you will find the Code Interpreter configuration, which is set to Disabled Mode by default. What exactly it does, it generates and runs code on demand to process files, create reports, and more. Note that file type and size limits apply. This is the Microsoft reference documentation about this feature. You will get more detailed information about the Code Interpreter feature from this Microsoft article. By default, this feature is in disabled mode. You need to enable it. So let's enable this and save the settings. Now I'm done with the settings changes. No, I will go to Test My Agent, where I'll play around with this feature testing. I have a financial sample data Excel file, which I downloaded from the Microsoft site, and I will use this sample Excel for this demo. That Excel has sample financial-related data. Let me open and show you that Excel so that you will have an idea of what exactly this Excel contains. This is the financial sample Excel I have downloaded from the Microsoft site. This Excel does not contain actual data. This is just sample data that explains the financially related stuff. Now I'll play around with this Excel file using the Copilot Studio's Code Interpreter feature. Let's go to my Copilot agent. And I have created a couple of prompts to test the Code Interpreter feature. I have categorized these prompts in various sections, like basic analysis prompts, data visualization prompts, reporting and insights prompts, advanced analytical prompts, and file processing and output prompts, followed by pro tips for testing. So I'll just play around with these prompts. And let's see how it works. First, I need to upload my Excel file. I'm uploading my financial sample Excel file. Then I'll pass my first prompt from here. Analyze the uploaded Excel file and give me a summary of total revenue, total expenses, and profit. Let's see what we get. Now my agent is processing my uploaded Excel, and this takes a couple of seconds to process. Let's see what we get. Yes, we got the result. Here is the summary for my uploaded file. The financial summary is presented below. Total revenue, $127,931,598.50. Total expenses, $101,832,648. Profit, revenue, expenses $26,098,950.50. How this is calculated, you can see the Python code as well. You can also review the generated code used for this analysis. You can click on the code option. This is the Python code for the financial summary output we just got. This is the Python source code for how the agent calculated total revenue, total expense, and total profit we just saw. If you're a Python developer, you can easily understand the source code, and you may integrate this code into your similar project. Of course, you need to validate the code before using it, as the AI-generated code or content may not be correct. Now I'll go with the another prompt. List the top 5 performing products based on sales amount. Now, my prompt is being processed. This takes a couple of seconds to generate the output. Yes, we can see the output. Here are the top 5 performing products based on total sales amount. You can also review the generated code used for this analysis. This is the Python code for this output. Next, I'll pass this prompt. Calculate the average profit margin per product category. Now, is calculating the average profit margin per product category? Yes, here are the average profit margins by product category. And you can also review the generated code used for this analysis. This is the Python code for this output. Next, I'll pass, show me which region generated the highest revenue. We got this output. The region that generated the highest revenue is United States of America, with a total revenue of $27,269,358. You can see the source code from here for how this is generated. Very interesting demo. The agent not only processes the uploaded file, but also we can see the source code for how it is generating the output. Now I'll move on to another section of the prompts, data visualization prompts. These help you test if the interpreter can generate charts and graphs automatically. I'll test a couple of prompts from here, like create a bar chart comparing revenue and expenses by month. Let me pass this prompt. Let's see what we get. It seems the file reference was not included in the last execution, which caused the error. Please re-upload the file or confirm if you want me to use the previously uploaded file for generating the bar chart. I'll re-upload my Excel file and pass the same prompt. Create a bar chart comparing revenue and expenses by month. Let's see whether it is creating a bar chart or not. Yes, we could see the bar chart here. You can see the Python source code for the bar chart. This is the Python code for how the bar chart is generated. Now I'll ask something else. Generate a pie chart showing the percentage contribution of each product category to total sales. Let's see whether it can generate a pie chart for this. Yes, perfect. We can see the pie chart. Here is the pie chart showing the percentage contribution of each product category to total sales. Product category sales pie chart. We can see the Python source code as well. This is the Python source code for the product category sales pie chart. Next, I'll pass a few more prompts. My intention is to see whether it can handle different types of prompts and can generate the source code. Now I've passed. Plot a line graph showing monthly revenue trends over time. Yes, we can see the line graph. And we could see the Python code for this line graph, right? Then I've passed. Visualize the year-over-year growth rate for revenue and profit. Yes, we can see the line chart. Here is the line chart visualizing the year-over-year growth rates for revenue and profit. This is the Python source code for this line chart. Next, I'll pass something from the Reporting and Insights prompt section. Let me pick this prompt. Generate a short financial report summarizing revenue, expenses, and profit trends. Yes, we can see the report. Here's the short financial report summarizing revenue, expenses, and profit trends. We can see the Python source code as well for this report. This is the Python source code for the financial report summary report. Interesting feature, I really like it. I'll just ask another prompt from this category. Now I've passed. Write a brief summary for the management report explaining the company's financial performance. It responded, here's a concise summary for the management report. You can see the concise summary report, how it is generated. Now let me ask something from the Advanced Analytical Prompts section. Forecast next quarter's revenue based on previous trends. The agent is processing my prompt. Yes, here's the forecast for the next quarter's revenue. We can see the quarterly revenue forecast report. You can see the detailed next quarter's forecast report. And this is the Python source code for this forecast report. As we saw with the code interpreter feature in Copilot Studio, we can not only process the uploaded file, but also we can generate the various reports along with the Python source code. In this demo, I've passed various types of prompts from the various business angles. It was able to process my request and generated the source codes. Really an amazing feature. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this demo and learned something new about the code interpreter feature in Microsoft Copilot Studio. This new capability truly takes Copilot to the next level, letting you analyze data, process files, and generate insights automatically with just a prompt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Copilot Studio and Power Platform tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.